Hi, welcome to Yin with Sin. My name is Cindy, and I will be guiding you through this holiday stress flow. Today, it is Christmas Eve, and the next 2 days are going to be so busy. And if you're like me, it can get a little overwhelming. So I thought it would be great for you and I to get on our mats to move this energy out of our body. No props are necessary for this flow. So when you're ready, meet me in mountain pose at the top of your mat. Now that you're in mountain pose, go ahead and ground down through the feet, straightening the spine, rolling the shoulders back, chin up, crown of the head reaches towards the ceiling. We'll take a few breaths together. Go ahead and inhale through the nose. Open the mouth, exhale all the air out. Another deep inhale through the nose. Open the mouth, exhale. One more breath here as you inhale deeply, feeling the chest rise. And as you exhale, fill the belly to spine. As you inhale, this time bring the arms up overhead, palms touch. Exhale as you bend to the left. Feeling a nice stretch on the right side of the body. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale as you bring the arms down, opening the chest. Inhale, arms back overhead. Exhale, fold forward. In this forward fold, bending the knees a little or a lot, whatever your body needs, just to release the lower back. Relaxing the head and neck. Inhale brings you up to a flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale as you slowly roll up, rolling the shoulders back. Exhale. Inhale the arms up overhead. Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale back to center. This time exhaling, bringing the arms down as you open the chest. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale as you bring the elbows down, chest opens. Inhale, arms back overhead. Exhale as you fold forward. Inhale to the flat back. Exhale. Plant the hands, step back to plank. Holding the plank for a few breaths here. Really zipping up in the core. One more breath here. Exhale. Bring the knees to the mat. You're going to inhale the chest forward. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. This time as you inhale your chest forward, look to the left, look to the right. Exhale, round the spine, press back into child's pose. Inhale brings you back to a tabletop. Uncurl the toes, pressing up into a plank and back to a downward facing dog. If this is your first downward facing dog for the day, go ahead and pedal out your dog. Finding any movement that feels nice for your body, possibly rolling out to a plank and then back to a downward facing dog. A couple more breaths here. Last deep inhale here. Exhale all the air out. Inhale, bringing the right leg to the ceiling. Exhale as you bring it in and stepping it in between the hands, lowering the back knee. Clasping your hands behind your back as you inhale, open the chest, rise up. Deep exhale. Inhale the arms up overhead. Exhale as your hands meet the mat, walking the back, shifting the hips back. Pointing the toes. Making sure to pull back that left hip to square off the hips. Walking the hands forward, finding your way back into a downward facing dog. Finding the other side. Left leg rises high to the sky. Exhale as you bring it forward, stepping it in between the hands, lowering the back knee. Clasping the hands behind your back. Deep inhale as you open up the chest. Exhale. Inhale the arms up overhead. Exhale as you walk your hands back, shifting the hips back to the heel. Again, making sure to square off the hips. Walking the hands forward, finding your way back to a downward facing dog. Go ahead and slowly step to the top of the mat. Finding a ragdoll, swaying side to side. Inhale brings you up to a flat back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rise up, hands above head. Exhale as you bring your hands through heart center. We're going to repeat that flow, but we're going to build on. So we're going to inhale the arms up overhead. Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, elbows down, chest opens. Inhale, center. Exhale, fold to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, bringing the arms down. Inhale, center. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, step back to plank. Hold the plank for 2 breaths. You can go ahead and find your chaturanga here, but if it's early and your shoulders aren't warmed up, go ahead and come to your knees. Bring the chest forward as you inhale, looking to the left, looking to the right. Exhale as you round the spine, pressing back into child's pose. Inhale back to tabletop, finding your way into a downward facing dog. Right leg high to the sky. Exhale as you bring it through the hands, lowering the back knee. Clasping the hands as you inhale, rising up, opening the chest. Exhale all the air out. Inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale as you shift your hips back. This time, instead of walking up and finding your way back to downward facing dog, you're going to walk the hands up, uncurling the back leg. Once your legs are set up, you're going to rise up into crescent lunge, but waiting until your legs are stable and in place. And once you're ready, engage the abs, coming up into high crescent lunge. Deep inhale, making sure that your knee is in line with the ankle and the knee is on the peaky toe side, making sure not to cave in the center of the mat. Deep inhale. Exhale, reach forward. As if you're holding onto a ball. Inhale, arms back overhead. Exhale, find your flow. Whatever that looks like for you. My shoulders aren't warmed up yet, so I'm not going to be doing any chaturangas. We'll meet in a downward facing dog. Going into the next side, left leg high to the sky. Exhale as you bring it in between the hands, lowering the back knee, clasping the hands. Inhale as you open the chest. Exhale. Inhale the arms up overhead. Exhale as you shift the hips back. Inhale, walking the hands forward, setting up the feet for high crescent lunge. You might find one side is a little wobblier than others, and that is totally normal. And if you fall, just get back up. So engage the abs as you rise. Whoop. Couple breaths here. Deep inhale as you lengthen and as you exhale, fold forward as you're holding a ball. Inhale back to center. Exhale, find your flow. We'll meet in downward facing dog. Go ahead and lower down to your knees, and we'll find our way in a seated position with our legs crossed, arms down by your side. As you inhale, the left arm up and over. Exhale as you circle around to the other side. Inhale back to center. Finding this on the other side. So inhale the arm up overhead. Exhale as you circle down and around and up. Inhale back to center. One more time each side. Inhale, arm up overhead. Exhale back to center. Last side here. Inhale, stretch over to the side. Exhale, circle around. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, back to center. We'll go ahead and take one final breath together to seal out this practice. Hands down by your side, eyes closed. You're going to inhale the arms up overhead, palms touch. Exhale, hands through heart center. I want to thank you so much for joining me for this de-stress flow. I hope this flow helps with any overwhelmed feelings during this holiday season. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.